Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious and comforting chicken lung fung soup, and this tastes so amazing. The unique part of this is the floating egg whites on top. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first, to make the egg whites fluffy, remove yolks from 2 eggs. Now beat using a whisk or electric beater till it's frothy and white. It takes around 5 to 7 minutes. Now keep it aside. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. To that, add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon grated ginger and 2 chopped green chillies. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 150 grams of minced chicken. Mix and cook till the color of the chicken changes to white. It takes around 5 to 6 minutes. Now add 500 to 600 ml of water or chicken broth. Give it a good mix. Add 1 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. You can adjust the salt as per your liking. Also add handful of chopped spring onion greens. This is completely optional. Mix well and let it boil for 4 to 5 minutes. After it comes to a roaring boil, add corn flour slurry. That is 1 tablespoon of corn flour plus 2 tablespoons of water. Mix well and cook till it thickens a little, and then add the beaten egg whites. Keep the flame high and let it cook on the steam. Keep pouring the soup on it to cook it evenly. This will not taste eggy at all. Break it lightly so that it floats in pieces. Now our delicious chicken lung fung soup is ready. Serve it hot. See how beautifully our beaten egg whites float on top, and they taste so good with the delicious and comforting soup. Top it up with some spring onion greens. And this is so healthy and comforting like any restaurant soup. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.